Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Hope you had a great trading day yesterday. And if you like the content, please hit the like button and share this with friends and family and help this channel grow. I would really appreciate that. Okay, guys, so this is SPX daily chart, S&P 500, and you can see focus on these yellow cycles. This is cycle chart, and focus on this yellow dotted cycle and my cursor. And you can see right now we had a bottom here. We got bottom couple of days earlier, last Friday, 15th of May, and you can see it very nicely kind of matches where it can be couple of days left and right, and it bottomed, and now we're in a rising phase. So this rising phase is going till 10th of April. So you can see, so I'm expecting, you see this yellow arrow higher. So I'm expecting market to keep going higher until mid of April. So just keep that in mind. So I don't expect any major dump. So all dumps should be a buying opportunity. All weakness in market you should be looking to buy because we are in a bull market. Okay, so keep that in a mind, and then we'll analyze other stocks. So let's go back and let's go back to my other chart. Here you go. I'm gonna put side by side two charts here. So left side is day trading chart only for today's trade, which where red lines means sell lines, green line means buy lines. In the middle white line, we don't do anything. So we try to short near red lines, try to buy or cover near green lines. All right. So keep that in mind. And this is S&P 500 futures, and you can see we are right now in the middle, kind of a little bit higher than the middle. So we're getting closer to red area, which is a sell zone. You can see we are up 0.36% pre-market, and that's good. We are expecting a little bit higher. So you can see if market goes here around 53.05 and higher, there are resistances here. Inversely, if market somehow drops below 52.73, that's the area you would be looking to buy. All right. Let's look at Nasdaq and MNQ chart. Similar story here. You can see we're getting closer to the sell zone, and the resistances are 1867 and up. Buy zones are 18474 and below. All right. And Dow Jones, US 30 in the middle, which is neutral zone, and came very close to buy zone. Actually, yesterday was in the buy zone. Nice buy here for a bounce. Now in the middle, so look to buy below 39,309 and look to sell above 39,496. All right, Russell 2000. Let's look at that. And also, this is also, I think it's up higher pre-market, very close to sell zone resistance. 2092 and up is the resistance, and 2072 and below is in the buy area. And you can pause this video anytime to look at other levels which are higher. You can always take a screenshot and keep that for your trade today. And oops, and by the way, guys, if you like this, if you want to know more about this buy sell zones on day trade, join my Discord channel. There's a link in the description, and you can subscribe to my YouTube, and you can give me a YouTube ID, and I will add you to a special members group where I post these buy sell zones of all the stocks you want and all major indices every few hours. Okay, so that will give you that will keep you on the right side of the trade. All right. Okay, so let's keep moving. Let's look at Bitcoin. All right, so here's BTC chart pumping in the sell zone, massive resistance right now here. Not looking to buy here. I will be looking for weakness to buy around 68,000. Here, I'm not interested to buy here. Okay, and one other thing I wanted to show you on BTC futures, there's a gap here. Okay, so we got 7 counts buy signal, but there's a gap around 64,025. If I go to 1 hour chart, I want to show you that. Here you go. So this gap up happened on 24th of March on Sunday. Gap up. They're gonna eventually come back to fill this gap. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And on Ethereum, that gap is around 33.47. So at some point, crypto should come back to recover this gap. This could also be a lower high before we go down. Let's see what happens. But overall, if you don't come to fill this gap, price is above all moving averages, and this is very bullish. This is bullish price action. So next target could be around 80K. Okay, so but just that gap here is kind of bothering me. So whenever that weakness happens, it's gonna come back and fill some of these gaps. All right. Okay, so here you go. So it's in the sell zone right now, Bitcoin. Ethereum, let's look at Ethereum levels. Ethereum is also in the sell zone right now. It's above 33, 36, 34. Buy zone is below 35.10. All right. Okay, so let's go into commodities now. Gold little weaker, and you can see here trying to flag, got rejected a couple of days ago, still holding above all moving averages price, so pretty bullish. Short term it's in the sell zone, so not interested in buying here. Look to buy in the green zone, which is around 2163. Silver a little weaker than gold, but came very close to buy zone this morning around 4 a.m. Again, coming closer to neutral zone, look to buy below 24.46. All right. Crude oil is also consolidating above all moving averages, still pretty bullish. Yesterday was in the sell zone, now still getting closer to sell zone. Look to buy below 80.92. Natural gas, NG, getting closer to buy zone. Okay, look to buy below 1.772. There's a gap here around 1.696. That's what I will be looking to buy first, and the second gap is around 1.49. I'm not sure if that 1.49 will fill, but that 1.6986 definitely looks like it's a possibility. All right, Hang Seng Index, China. Let's see, China is since it broke out, is doing higher highs, higher lows, so looking good. So looks like it's just getting consolidation for before a pump. This morning was in the sell zone, now still near sell zone. I'm only looking to buy below 16413, so not interested in here. Actually, it's turning out to be a good short in the zone right now, where it is right now. Copper, let's look at copper in the neutral zone. Palladium is also in the neutral zone. Soybeans is also in the neutral zone. Sugar is pumping, near getting going closer to sell zone. Wheat, wheat is coming closer to buy zone, and corn is in the neutral zone. All right, let's look at major FANG stocks. Let's start with Tesla. There is some news that they are giving a demo of FSD, and they're pumping near sell zone. There's a gap around 163, and there's all these gaps up, so there's like unlimited amount of gaps ups, so we'll see what happens. But the opening also again on a higher gap, so maybe they want to come down, and then fill gap and then go high. I don't know, let's see. Tesla is very unpredictable, but just remember all these gaps eventually they will be filled at some point. UNH, which is the biggest healthcare sector in the buy zone. Okay, so this is in the buy zone, should be looking to buy UNH here. Apple, let's look at Apple. Was in the buy zone, I think, yesterday. Yeah, there you go. And still higher. Look to buy below 170 if you get an opportunity today. All right. And let's keep moving and look at some other bigger stocks. Google. Let's see where Google is. Here you go, Google. In the sell zone pre-market. So probably market open will come back, fill this gap, and then go higher. It's gapping up. So Netflix near sell zone as well. Amazon is near sell zone. Meta, Facebook is near neutral zone. There's a gap around 508, so they might want to fill this gap today. Let's see what happens. Microsoft also going towards sell zone, gap around 428, and Snowflakes, SNOW, also near neutral zone, and NVDA near sell zone. AVGO up pre-market near sell zone, and AMD had some bearish news yesterday, but it recovered very nicely. You can see nice pump from as soon as market open. Looks like people just like chip stock no matter what news comes up. Okay, guys, I think that's it for today, and let's look at VIX quickly. VIX is down a little bit, and you can see now it's making lower highs since it broke this red line 50 EMA, making lower high, rejected. Looks like it's going lower again, but since I'm expecting first half of April to be bullish, expecting more lower prices on VIX. Okay, guys, hopefully this was helpful. Please hit the like button on your way out, and I'll see you later. Bye.